Musical meter. What is it and why is it important? Musical meter can be defined as the organization of musical notes or the song's rhythmic structure. So let's dive into it. We have some notes written here. We have a bunch of quarter notes written. We have the same amount of quarter notes written in both places, but there's one difference. We added our measures where we have 3 notes, and we add our measures where we have 4 notes. If you don't know about measures, I have a video going over it. Okay, so if they're all the same notes, wouldn't a player just play these two the same way? I mean, they're the same notes. And no, it's not true. So what the difference is that your strong beat is on 1. And by strong beat, I don't mean the loudest beat that you can have. I mean, it's the most recognizable beat. It's the most emphasized beat. So it's the one that you're going to hear. So oftentimes in a song, you're going to keep hearing the pattern of music repeating. And in the beginning of that repeat, that's your 1. And common music does have 4 beats. So a lot of times you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And your 1 is that very recognizable kind of, that's the start of the pattern of music again. And when you start paying attention to it, it actually kind of just pops out at you. You don't actually have to think about it too much. A good example is when musicians are playing a concert and everyone starts clapping. Usually they're always clapping on the 1 and the 3. So pay attention to that. Play some of your favorite songs, start clapping, and then realize that you're clapping on the 1 and the 3 and try to identify what is the start of the beat and then what is the 3, which would be, that beat. So 3/4 into it. So since your strong beat is on your 1, you're going to go boom, 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 boom. I'm kind of just emphasizing it, see here. Instead of boom, 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 boom. So it just creates a musically different effect. So I'm going to briefly go over this right now, and I'm going to have another video that'll fully go in depth in this so you can actually wrap your head around it a lot better, because you probably won't be able to. I would be surprised if you just wrap your head around it right here and now. It's a little confusing once you actually start thinking about all the different time measures. So we have duple and we have triple. Duple is 2 pulses in a measure. Triple is 3 pulses in a measure. I said 3 beats. I'm going to call it pulses here, okay? So we have triple meter. Boom, 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 boom. We got 3 pulses. Boom, 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 boom. Okay? We have quadruple meter, which can be anything that has your 4 beats per measure. Okay? And then we have different types of meter, as in compound and simple. Our compound meter means that we can group our notes in groups of 3. Okay? So just as a quick example for you, we have simple, duple. So simple, each of our notes is divided into 2. Boom, 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 boom. Simple. And then duple, we have 2 beats. Boom, 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 boom. So when you're going to be playing that, you're going to be playing boom, 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 boom. But you're going to hear the 1 and the 2 are going to be an actual recognizable beat. And this will just be your and. So boom, 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 boom. That's why there's 2 beats. When you're actually, if you'd be clapping it, you'd be clapping 1, 2. You wouldn't be clapping super quickly to try to compensate for the amount of notes that are there. You'd find a pulse in the song. And this is what this is going over. So here we have simple. Our notes are grouped into 2, but we have triple because we have 3 pulses. So boom, 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 boom. Each one of those pulses is grouped into notes of 2. Okay? My next video is going to go over this a lot more in depth.